Did I find rare vintage art bars? Hey guys, it's Craig here at Zuki Play Metals, and I just wanted to do a video today. Pretty excited. I got a couple different bars here, and as you can see on the obverse, these two appear the same, and then the same with these two. But on the reverse, we have some varieties, and they seem to be very unique. So I'm going to save this one for last and go over this one first. So stay tuned. All right, so I've shown this Rarities 1 ounce silver bar before. It's a pretty nice looking bar. And this is the standard bar that I've seen just about everywhere. So if you just turn it over, okay, it has this on the back side. And you can see the 999 fine silver. It's got the decorative border around it. Anaheim, California. So this is what I typically find when I'm looking at these bars or looking for them out and about or even online. If you look at eBay, this is the pretty common one. So I was looking at the 5th edition, the Archie Kidd's Guide to Silver Art Bars, and I found the Rarities bar in there. And they show this one as a variety for the back, okay? The typical one, this is the ordinary type 1 they show, and there's a type 1A. So the only difference is instead of this being this landscape switch around variety, it's inverted. So it would be, if you flipped it over, it would be the right side up. So that's not what this one is. So I could not find it in the book, and I wanted to see if you guys have any more information or know anything about this one. So I can show you here real quick, in the book. Here is the Rarities bar, and here is the reverse. And it just says type 1 reads up, and then 1B reads down. So that's the only difference. That's the only thing they show in here. Okay, but this one, however, is the same on the front, identically the same. I mean, it's a little shinier, but other than that, everything is identical. But this one, when we go to the back side, it's just a plain back. And it's got a little bit of I don't know. It looks like just a plain back bar. And it just has the weight, 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. So it's like, what's going on here? It's not in the book. Have you seen these? This seems to be the most common one, which is in the book. This one I got, and this is the back. So it's kind of unique. I wanted to share that with you guys. I thought that was really interesting. And then the second set I have, I'll show you here, like these two. Oop, these are both the same, okay, pretty much, except for the reverse. Well, that, and you notice this one's in a capsule. This one will not fit in a capsule, so it's just a hair bigger. All right, so let me show you what the book shows on this one real quick. Okay, so here it is. This is the bar here, and then it just has the back designs shown here. So you got a reverse type 1, and then the reverse type 1A is the same but inverted again. So if you flipped it this way, you get this. If you flipped it this way, you'd still get this. So same back, inverted. And if you look down in here, this is the bicentennial here, right here. So you got the 3 types. Okay, you got type 1, 1A, that's the inverted, and the flipped, the turnaround landscape is the same, and then if you invert it, it's still the same back, which is that right there. Okay, so they're showing a third variety down here. All right, it's the type is TRG4. However, it is not pictured in the book. So I've got 2 different ones, and I want to show you. And if it is the type 3, okay, if it is this one, we did really well here because it's showing the mintage right there. It's saying there's only 50 bars. So I'm hoping that's the case on that one. But I'll show you anyway. This is the standard one here. This was minted by Doyle's Coin Palace. So it's nice, bicentennial bar. It's got the eagle carrying the flag. United States of America, 1776, 1976. And as we flip it over, there's that back shown in the Archie Kidd's 5th edition. This is on page 60. 1 troy ounce, 999 silver. So if this was the other variety, you could flip it and this would be right side up, but the same back. So that is a pretty standard bar. This one, however, like I said, it would not fit in a flip or airtight. And it's just made a little bit different. It's more rounded on this end. This side appears to be a little straighter. But other than that, the front looks the same. Okay. Now this one, when we turn it over, look how interesting that is. You got like this satin back finish, is what I would call it. And it just says 1 troy ounce, 999 fine silver. So I thought that was really cool. And it's got me wondering, you know, since it's not pictured, if this is the third variety. They only showed 3 varieties, both being this back, one standard and one inverted, but identically the same. And then the third one, they have no picture. But if this is the third one, let's see, what does it say again? It is just calling the type for the third TRG4. So, if you guys know what TRG4 means, let me know. But if so, there's only 50 of these bars made. So I thought I might have lucked out and found a really rare piece here. You know, I'm hoping so. I just thought that was super interesting. So I've got some unique bars here, you know, both the same on the obverse and 2 different reverses. And both reverses, I don't see the picture in the art book guide that I have. Like I said, it's the 5th edition Archie Kidd's. So if somebody else has some information, I'd be glad to hear. Doing your research really makes a big difference because, you know, you could easily not know. I mean, if you don't have the materials or the books to look up, and you could have a really rare bar on your hands. So if you collect vintage silver art bars, it is definitely worth looking into. And like I said, if anybody has any information, please hit me up. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, you guys take care.